Don't worry about it. My life is great now. I got a wife, nice house, a job, and artifacts.
Doesn't matter. How to make this right.
Honestly, you really don't have to.
Get it? I'm trying to be nice to you. Now start. Your lunch order.
Well, I got my lunch.
Not good enough. I'm gonna get you something special. Soup's on. I got British shortbread, Russian toast, dollop of garlic chive and oat.
Actually, that sounds good.
I thought so too. So I ate it on the way here. Don't worry. Look what I found. Can you believe some dope tossed into the lake? I can get those for you. Yes, I'm helpful and not counterproductive.
No, it's
Charlie, come on. It's me.
yeah.
Working conditions here are dangerous. I'm gonna go talk to your union.
Okay. You got the name of the iPad.
Hi, Charlie.
Sweetheart. It's easy here.
But you're ready for dinner.
Tonight,
I don't recall anything. If you're trying to imply that you don't want someone here, perhaps you should just say it.
You guys come back. Yeah, I wanted to be helpful, so I picked up all those tiny flags and carelessly left scattered around in the area.
those files were running the location of valuable artifacts. Oh, but it worked now.
Oh, man. You should probably put flags by those flags so no one picks them up. Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Oh no, it's my boss, Mr. Slade.
I'll handle this. You can't talk to Charlie like that. You're not the boss of him. You're on fire.
How am I going to break this news to my wife?
Don't worry about that. I already called him.
You did what? When are you going to stand up for yourself?
What's her problem?
You did this! You ruined my life!
No worries, Charlie. I'm gonna make it up to you. As soon as I finish making up for that other thing I did. Whatever that was.
You're a menace! I'm not gonna let people like you cause problems for me anymore!